Let me introduce myself. My name is Susi Nuraini. Here I will explain about managing digital business infrastructure. Learning outcomes outline the range of digital technology used to build a digital business infrastructure with an organization and with its parents. Review the management actors needs to maintain service quality for user of digital platform. Business Business digital komponen infrastruktur. Kampas 2000 menjelaskan model infrastruktur 5 tingkat alternatif yang ia sebut sebagai rantai fungsi sistem informasi, penyimpanan atau fisik, komponen perangkat keras, memori, disk, pemrosesan, komputasi, dan logika yang disediakan oleh prosesor. Infrastruktur ini mengacu pada antarmuka manusia dan eksternal serta jaringan yang disebut sebagai infrastruktur. Aplikasi atau konten ini adalah data yang diproses oleh aplikasi menjadi informasi. Intelijen logika berbasis komputer tambahan yang mengubah informasi menjadi pengetahuan. Each of these elements of infrastructure parents spark management issue which we will consider spartly. Explains sample digital business service atau application layer. CRM supply chain management data meaning content management system. Number 1, system software layer, web browser and server software and standard networking software and database management system. Number 3, support or network layer, physical network and transport standard. Start physical layer, permanent magnetic or storage and web server or optimal backup or temporary storage in memory. Content and data layer, web content for internet explain and internet situs, customer data, transaction data, clickstream data. A short introduction to digital technology. Client server. The client server architecture consists of silent computer such as PCs, sharing resources and database storage. One more powerful server computer. Internet service provider, a provider providing home or business user with a connection to access the internet. They can also host web-based application. Backbones high-speed communication link used to enable internet communication across a country and internationally. Next, permasalahan manajemen dalam menciptakan layanan digital baru yang berhadapan dengan pelanggan. Pemilihan nama dominan. Yang pertama, .com mewakili perusahaan internasional atau Amerika seperti www.amazon.com. Orang digunakan oleh organisasi nirlaba misalnya www.greenpage.org. Mobil diperkenalkan untuk situs yang dikonfigurasi untuk telepon seluler. Net adalah penyedia jaringan seperti www.demon.net. Edu adalah institusi akademis di Asia ada juga dominan tingkat atas kode negara CCTLD tertentu. CO UK mewakili perusahaan yang berbasis di Inggris seperti www.guardian.co.uk. AU CADE SVVRIT NL DLL mewakili negara lain. Sintankish CO UK adalah sebuah anomali. UK adalah universitas atau institusi pendidikan tinggi lainnya yang berbasis di Inggris, misalnya www.convert UK. Orang UK ditunjukkan untuk organisasi nirlaba yang berfokus pada suatu negara, misalnya mencap orang UK. Cloud computing, the use of distributed storage and processing on server considered by the internet, typical profit as software or data storage as subscription service profit by other companies. Webmail readers, e-commerce account, and purchasing management facilities such as Amazon.com. Money service from Google such as Google Maps, Gmail, Picasa, and Google Analytics. Office application solution from Microsoft Wide offers Office customer relationship management application from Salesforce.com and Siebel Oracle. 3. Advantage and 3 advantage of open source software. Advantage of source software. Counter-argument. Disadvantage of open source software and counter-argument. Summary: business need to profit a range of digital business infrastructure that can support users on a range of desktop and mobile platforms, and this flexible enough to charge with different business demands. Number 2, mobile platform decision involve selection of which mobile operating system to target, provision of mobile-based service, and whether additional apps are requested. A 5-layer model for making digital business infrastructure is reviewed, where level 1 is the application layer, 2 is the system software layer, 3 is the transport layer, is the store of physical layer, and is the control or data layer. Integrating different web services using cloud computing can enable business software function to be added with limit bespoke development. Software as a services provider and increasingly important and business look to reduce infrastructure costs and improve service delivery through the external hosting of application and data outside an organization. Thank you.